Do you want to change your name in Elsa Speak but don't know how to do so? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name in Elsa Speak. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Now what you need to do is go ahead and go to your profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. So go ahead and tap profile and tap on edit your profile, or tap on this arrow and tap on edit your profile. You can see the name section on the top. Go ahead and tap edit and you can change your name from here. After you're done, press done, which is on the bottom right hand corner, and you can see that your name has been updated. Let me show it to you once again how you can change your name in Elsa Speak. Go ahead and tap Elsa Speak, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right hand corner, and tap on edit your profile. Now in the name section, tap edit. Remove the name and then tap done. After you're done editing your name, you must write at least 3 characters, and then after that press done. You can see that your name has been updated successfully. So I hope this video about how you can change your name in Elsa Speak was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.